Supergirls is having another meet and greet. A meet and greet? Oh, what are you guys talking about? Yeah, it's July 1st. Wow. Okay guys, I'm gonna go get a drink of water. I hope you don't mind. Be right back. I'm talking to my stuffed animals. I must be crazy.
Nah, it's only crazy when they start talking back to you.
Oh, okay, then I'm fine then. Wait!
Sorry, I just couldn't resist.
Who are you and... You know, I'm not even gonna ask this time. Hi, I'm Nicole.
I'm Maisie, I'm a fairy, and so sorry for popping in like this, but I just had to come to your house because of...
Ley lines, I know. Don't worry about it.
Because I like to play. Do you like to play?
Me? Sure, I play all the time.
What was that?
Nothing.
Well, okay, I was wondering if you wanted...
Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry for scaring your toys.
Don't worry, I'll calm them down later. Are you okay?
I think so. I've been super sneezy lately. Is it dusty in here?
No, I cleaned everywhere this morning. It can't be dusty.
Oh, well, can we go outside anyway? It's such a nice day. We can play out there.
Oh, let's go. Ooh. Here, catch.
Back to you.
Caught it.
Oh, it hit my face.
Oh, whoa, that one almost knocked me over.
I got it.
Oh, I should be in the Olympics for this. Oh, bless you.
Sorry, these sneezes are really getting annoying.
Yeah, they are for me too.
Do you think it might be because of the plants?
I don't think so. I mean, they're mostly just bushes and trees.
Oh, well, can we go somewhere more open anyway?
Open?
Just away from these plants?
Oh yeah, sure, follow me. So are you okay now?
Yes, this is much better. The air is a lot clearer here.
Good, we shouldn't have any more sneezes then. Oh no!
Achoo!
Bless you!
Oops, sorry. Must be the bubbles in my drink getting up my nose. Now, I really don't mean to be doing all these things to Nicole. I know, but you don't need to tell me about it. Tell Nicole. Look, Nicole, I'm really sorry about all these things that have happened to you since I arrived.
I know, Maisie, but it really is happening a lot. Do you think you might be allergic to me?
To you? No, it couldn't be. It's happened before I arrived, too.
Really? Can you remember when it started?
No, I can't exactly remember the time that it happened, but I think it was around when I became an official fairy.
Official fairy?
Yes, it's when we get our wings and we're allowed to go out and do magic.
Do magic?
Yeah, with our wands and our fairy dust.
Wait, fairy dust?
What? You think it might be the fairy dust that's making me sneeze?
It could be. You said that you started sneezing like right after they gave it to you.
But that's silly. Who ever heard of a fairy being allergic to fairy dust? Achoo! You know, I think you might be right about the fairy dust.
Yeah, I think I might be.
You know, I think I'll take it back and see if they can change it.
Good idea.
Well, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. Mostly.
Bye!
Well, time for another shower. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout outs from last week go to...
Bless you.
To get a shout out next week, like this video and comment down below, are you allergic to anything? Like this fairy was most definitely allergic to her own fairy dust. I personally am not really allergic to anything, except like I get a little sneezy in like the springtime, you know. A lot of people do. I don't know. So if you are allergic to anything at all, just comment it down below. Okay guys, I've got some big news. Brace yourselves. It's pretty exciting. 7 Supergirls is having another meet and greet! Woo! So you've probably already heard, but yes, it's true. We're having another meet and greet, and you can get all the information down in the description below. But basically, if you want to get some group hugs, some pictures taken, some questions answered, then I hope you guys can come on July 1st at Hilton Anaheim, California. So it's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait to see you. I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you next week on 7 Supergirls. Bye!